everybody want JT, they do. Skirt, skirt. Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
cousin, what's up, cousin? What's up?
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this JT from the City Girls inspired makeup look. It's very simple yet glam at the same time. I absolutely loved how JT's makeup was in this picture. It's been in my phone for a while and I haven't seen you guys in a while, so I decided to film it. By the way, Happy New Year. I know I'm like a month late, but we're here. I do talk about my absence a little bit in the video. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Period. I was trying to get my brows as close to hers as I could, and I think I did an okay job. I did them off camera because yeah. For the lid, it looks like she gave like a little, you know how I do like the little bronzer over the lid? It looks like that's what she did, except like she did like a darker brown to where it was more noticeable. So that's what I'm gonna do. Place this concealer as my base first. I have missed y'all so much. I don't think y'all understand. I hope y'all missed me too, because I haven't seen y'all since last year. As corny as that sounds, it's the truth. But so much went on during that time frame. I mean,
no, let me tell you something.
My ring light freaking broke, and when I tried to order my new one, somebody from Russia tried to hack my Amazon account. Okay, so I had to wait a whole while. I had to do something with that, get all my information off. Then somebody tried to hack my debit card.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto!
I'm just like, I ain't got no money for y'all still. Leave me alone. What are you doing?
What more do you want from me?
You know, I don't have any money for you to steal. I'm not rich. I'm not rich. What you want to steal from me for? I work hard for the little money that I do have.
Okay.
People just been trying to get me. I got a new card, and I ended up having to have somebody else order the ring light for me. And it took a minute, but it's here now. So that's what happened. For the lid, I'm going to take this. It's the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Provocative palette. I'm going to take this brown shade here. And I'm just going to place that all over my lid. So that is it for the eyes, literally. See, this Fenty, this my color, but it be looking crazy, but I be forgetting that it oxidizes. I look like a Oompa Loompa. I go over my foundation with a beauty blender because we just want it to be a lot smoother. JT looks like she has on like a pink blush, so I'm gonna be using first spray. She had some fluffy lashes, and these are pretty fluffy. My friend actually gave these to me, so I don't know what brand. I don't know nothing about these lashes. She said her mama had them, and she don't wear lashes like that, and she knew that I did, so she gave them to me. So yeah. JT had like a subtle like inner corner highlight, so I'm just gonna go back into that Becca Opal highlight. Now for the lips, I'm gonna take MAC's Chestnut, and I'm going to overline my lips. I know they're, you know, a pretty nice size, but this is a JT inspired, you know, look, and her lips are juicy, so yeah. So I'm not gonna put anything like as far as lipstick or anything. I'm just gonna go right in with the Fenty Glow. It's not pink enough for me, so let me see if I go in with a little bit of Tres Leches by NYX and see. That actually works. Everybody want JT, they do. Skirt, skirt.
Period.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.